In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian plugins for authors. If you're an author who loves outlining, drafting, and tracking progress in one place, plugins can turn Obsidian into a powerful, distraction-free writing studio. I'll walk you through where to find the right tools, how to install and enable them, and how they fit into a real writing workflow. We'll focus on two essentials for long-form projects: long-form and data view. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set them up and what they can do for your creative process. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you keep your writing. Then head to the app's settings. You'll find the settings gear in the interface, and this is where all plugin management happens. Think of settings as your control center. It's where you turn features on and off, and where you customize how Obsidian behaves for your writing needs. Inside settings, select Community Plugins. Community plugins are made by independent developers and extend Obsidian far beyond the default features. You'll see a clear area to manage what's installed and a way to find new options. This is the best place to discover tools tailored for authors, outlining, and project dashboards. When you're ready to explore, click Browse. That opens the plugin directory from within Obsidian, so you don't have to leave your workspace to find what you need. In the Browse view, search for Longform. This plugin is designed specifically for authors working on books, screenplays, or any project that's longer than a few pages. Open the Longform page, click Install, and then click Enable. Installing adds the plugin to your vault. Enabling turns it on so you can use it right away. If you ever need to temporarily turn a plugin off, you can return to the Community Plugins panel and toggle it there without uninstalling. With Longform enabled, you get a writing structure that mirrors a manuscript. It lets you create a project made up of individual notes, your scenes or sections, and then arrange those notes into an ordered manuscript. That means you can reorder scenes without copy-pasting, keep optional scenes nearby, and track where each piece belongs. If you're working on shorter material, Longform also supports single-note projects, so you can still enjoy its project-aware view without splitting your draft. A helpful tip is to name scene notes clearly, use consistent front matter or tags for status like draft or revised, and keep research notes separate from the manuscript so your writing view stays uncluttered. Next, return to the Browse view and search for Data View. Open its page, click Install, and then click Enable. Just like before, installation adds it to your vault, and enabling activates its features. Data View is widely used because it gives you a flexible way to surface information about your notes, which is perfect for tracking scenes, characters, locations, and progress. Once Data View is enabled, treat your vault like a database that you can query. Data View can filter, sort, and extract data from your Markdown notes based on the fields you set, either in front matter or in the body of your notes. This is tremendously helpful for authors. You can list all scenes in a project folder and sort them by chapter or status, group characters by point of view, or show only notes marked as needs edit. You can also summarize information like counting how many scenes are in draft versus final, or pulling a table of research sources linked to a specific project. The more consistent you are with tags and fields, the more powerful your queries become. To recap, you opened Obsidian, went into Settings, and navigated to Community Plugins. You browsed the directory, found Longform, installed it, and enabled it to manage manuscripts built from scene notes or single note projects. Then you searched for Data View, installed and enabled it, and learned how it can query your vault like a database to filter, sort, and extract the information that matters to your writing. Keep your vault backed up, update plugins periodically, and use clear naming and metadata so both plugins work smoothly together. With these tools in place, you'll have a streamlined way to plan, draft, and track your long-form projects inside Obsidian.